Yeah, fabulous. Go. Good morning, everyone. It's a lovely Sunday. It's certainly sunny where I am, so hopefully you're getting some good weather today. My name's Emma and I'm from Exhale, and we are really pleased to be part of the IPHM Festival, a collaborative event that's bringing together everyone that's interested in holistic wellness and beauty. The event's organised by IPHM, and you can find out more about them and what they do on iphm.co.uk. So as I said, my name's Emma and I'm from Exhale. As you can see, it's written on my jumper here and on my banner that I'm hoping is going to stay good and stay put where it is and not fall on me this morning. Exhale is the UK's first mind-body class that combines modern music with movement and also meditation. It was founded by Charlotte Collins and born out of a need to protect her own mental wealth. She's always suffered with anxiety, and Charlotte always knew the benefits of meditation, but she was worried that she wasn't guru status enough to actually be able to share those benefits with anyone because she'd never been on silent retreat to Tibet. And so she created Exhale as a way to provide the benefits of meditation to those of us who don't really feel like, when we don't feel like we're maybe spiritual enough, or we still like going to Ibiza and just losing ourselves in the music. And so really that's what Exhale's about. It's about sharing the benefits of meditation, but hopefully in a way that's accessible for everyone without really feeling like you need to compromise who you are. As I said, my name is Emma. There are lots and lots of instructors up and down the country for Exhale, and there are plenty of us that are offering sessions online. There's also live sessions, and if you attend a live session, you'll experience modern acoustic music, that the chart classics that you actually know. Whilst we're online, you'll notice that the music is license free today. But when you visit a live class, you'll notice some of the music that you'll hear is some of your favourites that you'll hear in the charts as well, just lovely acoustic versions of them. But yes, there's plenty of us up and down the country. We are offering group and one-to-one sessions online. We also offer workplace support. So if you are in a workplace and your workplace would like wellbeing support, we can come in either live or online and offer sessions for you as well. And we also have a sister company, Exhale Kids, which I am the lead trainer for Exhale Kids. So we're also able to go into schools and provide these techniques for children as well, which is, as a ex-primary school teacher, that's one of my favourite things to do. So for today's session, I'm going to lead you through a shortened version of one of our signature Exhale sessions. Meditation is generally a wonderful practice, and hopefully you'll feel lots of lovely benefits at the end. For today, I'm going to take you through a guided meditation. We do offer as well ways to build your own practice for meditation. But for today, I'm going to guide you through meditation for today. So make sure that you are somewhere that is safe to practice. So make sure you're not driving and you are able to, I'm going to invite you to close your eyes or lower your gaze. So make sure it's somewhere where you're able to do that for today. I'm going to guide you through some very gentle movements, which we can do seated. So you won't need to have a big space to move around. You'll just need enough space to be able to possibly move your arms out to the side. The only thing I ask of you today is that you move within your own comfort levels and you honour your body's comfort and what feels good for you today. And then I'll take you through a guided session as well, with meditation as well. And then I will ground you at the end so that you're ready to move on with the rest of your day today. So, as I said, meditation is generally a wonderful practice. If anything does come up for you that feels difficult, something that you don't feel like you want to deal with today, then take a few moments to just ground yourself, grab a drink of water, and obviously reach out if you do need any additional support. So I'm going to ask you to find somewhere that's comfortable to start with. So that might be seated on the ground. It might be seated on a chair or bed or a sofa, just wherever feels good for you. You want to make sure that your back feels supported. So that might be having something that's behind you, or it might even just be like I've got a little cushion that's just behind my seat bones. It's just going to help my back to be supported and feel lifted. So we can place our hands down onto our thighs or into our lap, wherever feels good for us today. And we're just going to spend these first few moments just settling the body in to a comfortable position. So if you need to adjust your position at all, then please do. There's no need throughout meditation to stay in one position and to sit completely still. If you need to move, if your foot's gone to sleep, if you've got pins and needles, please feel free to get yourself more comfortable. So just moving any lumps or bumps of clothing, any distractions out of the way. If you feel comfortable closing your eyes down, we can just close our eyes down now, or just simply soften and lower the gaze. Just be aware of any distractions around you, any sounds outside of your space right now, any sounds in another room. Just know all of those things are meant to be happening right now. They're just all part of your experience today. The practice of meditation isn't just about completely emptying the mind of all thought. The practice of meditation is actually being able to bring yourself back to the present moment. And so all those little distractions that may be calling your attention somewhere else, any thoughts that just pass through your mind today, they're an opportunity to practice coming back to this present moment. So we don't judge, we don't criticize when the mind wanders somewhere else. We just simply notice that we've drifted. And then we let the thought go and we just bring ourselves back. By taking ourselves through some gentle movements, some breath work before we go into meditation. It's a little bit like traveling down the motorway at 70 miles an hour. All those thoughts racing through the mind. And by doing the movement, the breath work, what we do is we start to bring you onto the hard shoulder, bring you down the gears and slow you down, rather than just slamming the brakes on, coming to a full stop. We just start to help the mind to settle, slowly and gently. Just taking a moment to check in with how your mind feels today. Noticing any thoughts that you're having. Again, there's no judgment, no criticism. We're just being aware of what's there right now. Remember to honor your comfort levels, only moving as feels good for you this morning. So I'm going to invite you now, when you're ready, to just sigh your next breath out through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. If you can now, just taking a breath in through your nose. And a sigh out through the mouth. Breathing in through the nose. And out through the mouth. Just allow your belly to soften. So as we're inhaling, the diaphragm can move down, the belly can expand, and that rises up into the chest. And then as we release that breath, we just allow the body to soften. Keeping that flow of breath in through the nose and out through the mouth, starting to extend that exhale just a little bit longer now. Breathing in and out. Just keeping that flow now as I guide you through just a couple of gentle movements before our meditation this morning. Whenever you next feel ready to take a breath in, we're just going to begin by turning our head slowly towards our right shoulder. As you're ready to breathe out, slowly turning your head around towards your left. Breathing in when you're ready, turning around to your right. Breathing out, the head slowly moves around towards your left. Just be guided by the pace of your breath. Inhale to your right. And exhale to your left. Slow, steady movement. Breath is the guide. As we do this, we allow the shoulders to drop down. We allow the jaw to relax. You can keep the eyes closed or the gaze just gently lowered. Just easing out any tensions in the back of the neck. And whenever you next feel ready to breathe in, slowly bring your head back into the center. You can exhale there. And then when you're ready to breathe in, this time turning the head towards your left shoulder. As you're breathing out, slowly moving the head around now towards your right. Breathing in to your left. Breathing out to your right. Again, letting your breath be your guide. Just follow the pace of your breath as you move. Easing out into the neck and the shoulders. As we open the throat, clearing any blockages, allowing communication between head and heart. Allowing yourself to become lost in the familiar movement. There's no force or effort. And then whenever you're next ready to breathe in, just return the head back to the center. Release your breath there. Just allow your breath to fall into a natural pace and rhythm. If you have space beside you, if you wanted to, you could just take your fingertips down to the surface beside you, just pausing for a moment. Just for a moment of grounding. If you need to adjust your position, just doing that now. If you need to take a drink of water, just doing that now. I'm going to guide you through one more movement before meditation. Again, just moving within your comfort levels. If you took the hands by the sides, just bringing them back onto the lap or onto the thighs. Allowing the breath to deepen, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Jaw is relaxed, belly is soft. And your next breath in, just bringing the palms together to rest in front of the heart space. Let the shoulders drop down. Just pausing here just for a moment. Just feeling those points of connection between the palms of the hands, the fingertips. The breath gently releasing over the fingertips. And then whenever you're next ready to take a breath in, we're taking those arms, palms together up through the center. And then as you're breathing out, just float the arms out to the sides, down to the ground. And then when you're ready to breathe in, just raising the arms back up above your head. And on your exhale again, just floating the arms out wide to the side, slowly all the way down towards the ground. Inhale, bringing the arms back up above the head. As the palms touch as you're breathing out, just bringing the hands back down through that center line to rest at the heart space. The shoulders relax. Again, palms, fingertips just gently touching. And your next breath in, palms together, taking the arms up above the head. As you're ready to exhale, open the arms wide to the side, floating down towards the ground. Inhale as the arms come back up, again following your breath, guided by your breath. Exhale to reach out, opening the heart. Easing out tensions in the shoulders, the chest. And just once more. So the arms meet above the head, palms together, bring the hands back down to rest at the heart. Again, let your shoulders drop down. We can let go of that conscious breath now. If you want to, just for a moment, take the fingertips to the surface beside you. Just pausing here just for a moment. I'm going to take you into a guided meditation now. So you can choose to stay seated as you are, or if you wish to adjust your position, you might wish to lay down, just choosing what feels most comfortable for you. Placing the hands wherever feels good for you today, whether that's on the thighs, in the lap, or by your sides. You can close the eyes down or allow the gaze to just soften. And just for this moment, let go of your thoughts of the outside world. Allow your breath to flow in and out, free and natural. You notice if the body is holding on to any tension. Where is the mind? Is it wandering? Is it at home with the breath, with the body? Are you filled with ease or restlessness? No judgment, just noticing. Take a moment to bring the awareness to the crown of the head. Soften the crown of the head across the forehead, the brow, a little space between the eyebrows. Just allow it to soften and release. All the tiny muscles around your eyes. Soften the cheeks and the jaw. Allow your tongue to drop down into a relaxed position. Soften the back of the neck, the hollow of the throat. You may notice a need to yawn or swallow, just honoring your body's desires right now. Relax the shoulders, the chest, the belly. Soften down the arms to the wrists, the hands, all the way down towards the fingers. Relax and release down each and every vertebra, way down to the hips, thighs. Allow the knees to soften, the backs of the knees, calves and the feet, all the way down to the very tips of your toes. Just allow the body to rest. Bring the awareness to the heart space. Be aware of the heart in its own whole space. Let your breath be free and easy. Begin to imagine the breath coming in and out of the heart space. Imagine the flow of air moving in through the heart and then back out into the world. You might like to imagine this flow like an infinity symbol. Each breath moving in, each breath connected to the next, effortless and free. With each exhale, imagine releasing any negative thoughts, anything that's lingering in the mind or the body. Your mind holds the memories, but the heart stores the feelings. Just allow the heart, the whole body to rest. Know it is safe to release, it's safe to rest. Just allow all that needs to be released. Just allow it to arise and be released. No need to explore. On each and every inhale, think to yourself, I am worthy. On each exhale, I am enough. Inhale, I am worthy. Exhale, I am enough. Notice how it feels to say these words to yourself. If your mind wanders at any point, just know that that's the nature of the mind. You can just simply bring your awareness back to the breath. Sensation of warmth to fill you from head to toe. Sensation of calm, comfort, traveling through the body from the heart space. Just becoming more and more aware of the surroundings around you, the sounds, temperature of the air, sensation of the surface beneath you. Allowing the muscles to slowly waken. Maybe a wiggle of the toes. Maybe a stretch and wiggle of the fingers. Maybe circling through the wrists and the ankles. Slowly returning some movements. Shrug of the shoulders, a yawn, a stretch. If you chose to lay down, maybe just easing your way when you're ready back up to seated. Bringing with you that sensation of calm, of peace. If you wanted to, you could just rub the palms together, just generating a little warmth there as we just bring mind and body back into connection. And then if you wanted to, just taking the palms over the eyes. Pausing there just for a moment, allowing the eyes to bathe in that warmth. And then in your own time, when feels right for you, starting to open the eyes, allowing the light back in as you slowly move the hands away. Just taking the time to come back. Make sure you grab a drink of water before you move on with the rest of your day. I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you very much for joining me today. I'm Emma from Exhale. Our training doors are currently open, so if you are interested in training and offering these sorts of classes, and our training doors are currently open. Thank you very much. This session has been part of the IPHM Festival. And if you're interested in holistic wellness and beauty, then do sign up to their newsletter. Thank you so much. I think you're still on mute, Siobhan.
Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness, how embarrassing. Thank you so much. That was amazing. What a beautiful way to start the day.
Absolutely. The sun's shining as well.
Yeah.
And my banner didn't fall on me.
Yeah, I was so pleased.
Me too. Thank you very much for joining me, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that.